Okay, in this video, I want to show you why I bought this Husky 18-inch rolling tool tote with a handle, and that just comes up because I've been using a luggage case, and this is a basic luggage carry-on that you can actually bring on the plane, and it kind of doubling as a tool tote because I do handyman work in New York City, Brooklyn area, and I take the train a lot. So a lot of public transportation, I'll walk. And if I have a big job, as you see, I have lots of other tools, and even more than this, I'll take my car, but I avoid using my car. So a lot of public transportation, I want to make things nice and easy. So basically what I do is I'll use this and maybe take one of my smaller tool bags and deal with that on the subway, whatever. Or maybe even a quick trip in a car. So here we go, and what I like about it is it opens up nice and wide, and if you look, compared to my travel case, it looks just about the same size. Okay, this is a little bit more taller. So there's some jobs where nice and easy, I'll just take some basic tools, you know, hammer, knife, stuff like that, small bullet level. There's other jobs I know I'm going to be doing cutting, you know, I'll take a cutting wheel, jigsaw, whatever, and so that's where I have to take a little extra. So I'll just show you, so just to get an idea, when I throw in my jigsaw, you can throw in some batteries. These are my essentials, the Milwaukee M12s, the drill and the driver. They usually take care of 95% of what I need done. Okay, look at that. Got my drill bits, tips, and those, and you know, you want to throw in miscellaneous stuff, right? We got lots of pockets to throw little tools. Now, if I'm on the train or the subway, I don't think I'm going to have tools hanging out all around it. Maybe I'll take them all out and throw them in here. When I get to the job site, I'll stick them in the pockets to make things, you know, a lot easier. Just to access, you know, some screwdriver stuff that I'm mostly going to use. Headlight, stuff like that. And then you may ask, what about going up and down stairs? So we'll do a little test. I'm in an apartment building, so I'll bring it up half a flight just to show you. And we're going to see how it feels. Now, if you notice in the back, you have these two rails that protrude from the tires. So when you go upstairs, these are going to hit first. And that's a good thing, because if you've been in the delivery business and you use a hand truck, right next to the wheels are going to be two Teflon runners. And that's the stuff that makes it easier to go upstairs. So I have a fair amount of tools in here right now. Could have made it a little heavier, but I just want to show you. Picking it up by this handle is not bad either. So let's do the stair test. Okay, so here we are on a landing, and I'm just going to go up these steps, and we're going to see how easy it is to pull this case. It probably has about 20 pounds worth of stuff in it. All right, so let's pull the handle up. Okay, locks in place pretty good, and let's see how this baby goes. As you see, the rails is what's guiding this up the stairs. You know, you actually don't want the wheels to hit. It'll just make it a wee bit more awkward. So if you do go up and down stairs a lot, you're going to see wear a little bit on that. Maybe it'd be good to grease that baby up a little bit. All right, so that wasn't bad at all. I can probably load this up with another 15, 20 pounds, and I'd still be able to get it up the stairs pretty easy. It rolls really nice, at least on hard ground. And so as far as the coming upstairs and rolling around, love it. The handle's nice and high. Like I said, on the small ones, like the 14-inch, it only comes up this high. So happy with that part. Okay, so am I going to be happy with this? Well, I think I will. There's some other reviews on line that you can find. Most of them are pretty old. This is 2024 February, almost March, and so probably my concerns would be how long those wheels are going to last. Will this handle get stuck, you know, sometimes halfway, like these luggage things do? You ever pull out a handle on a luggage and then you can't get back in and you're trying to get it in the plane? It's fun. And the zipper. How strong will these zippers be? How strong will the pockets be? I have a hunch they'll be pretty good, because I have lots of other Husky bags that have not failed. And so I guess that would give me a good idea on how well the zipper and the pouches would be on this. Now, there's something really odd and interesting on this I noticed. And let me show you. There's a zipper here, and there's no zipper handle, but this does zip down. And I was first wondering if that was a defect with no handle, but I don't even know why I'd want to zip this all the way down and split and look underneath this. I guess maybe if it got wet and you wanted to clean it, you were able to zip this all the way down and pull it out, maybe, and wipe it down. Other than that, it doesn't bother me. Again, you know, you got some pockets here. You got 6 pockets on this side, 1 big pocket here, and that's it. Then you can just load the baby up. All right, and in the front, we got a little Velcro pouch that is, I'd probably be throwing my M12 batteries in here to make them a little bit easier to access. You got a couple more pouches here, so in the pouch department, not bad. Another good feature of this is you can stack, just like you would a tote case. It stays pretty sturdy on that. You know, you got another bag you want to put on there and tote that along. If you don't have the bottom too loaded, it's good at stacking. So, you know, not like a pack out, but it'll do the trick. So there you go. There's the quick review. If this helped you out, I'd appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I got lots of other cool reviews. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you had something like this, if you had something better. Do you have the Lowe's equivalent or any other company equivalent that you had a bag like this for a year or so and it's taken a big beating? Because that's what I'm going to do to this thing. It's going to take a beating, so maybe I'll do a 1-year update and see. All right, take care.